Il-Kummissjoni Ewropea ma tapprovax l-iskema tal-beħ tal-passaporti. Konna ċari fir-rapport li pubblikajna u nibqgħu ninsistu mal-pajjiżi li jbijaw iċ-ċittadinanza biex jikkoperaw magħna u jkunu trasparenti. Dan għalitu l-Kummissarju Ewropew Vera Jourova waqt dibattitu fil-Parlament Ewropew ftit jiem biss wara li l-Kummissjoni Ewropea ippubblikat rapport bi kritika ħarxa dwar l-iskema tal-beħ tal-passaporti.
The Commission does not endorse. We just did in the report what we had to do within our competence. The legal competence says that citizenship awarding is the prerogative of the member state. But I think that it was very clear what we wrote, and I will clearly repeat, we do not endorse this system.
Id-dibattitu kien indirizzat ukoll mill-membru parlamentari Ewropew fisem il-Partit Nazzjonalista Roberta Mezzola li kienet qajmet il-kwissjoni tal-beħ tal-passaporti u staqsiet lill-Kummissarju jekk il-Kummissjoni Ewropea tapprovax din l-iskema.
However, the big lobby tries to sell it. Selling citizenship has nothing to do with investment. Now, as an MEP for my country, Malta and Gozo, I have always welcomed and pushed for bona fide investment, but passport sales is not that. However you dress it up, it is the exchange of cash for rights with no genuine link to the member states concerned, with very real security and corruption implications. What people are really buying here are not just passports, they are buying the irrevocable rights that EU citizenship bestows on our citizens. Rights related to free movement, visa-free travel, rules related to third country nationals owning businesses, competition, even rules on voting and standing for elections. And all of this with absolutely no genuine link to the Union.
Roberta Mezzola referiet għal fatt li fil-waqt li qed inbijaw eluf ta' passaporti 49 tifel u tifla mara u raġel qed jitħallew friżati fuq il-baħar. L-ipokresija hi inkredibbli, temmet tgħid l-MP Roberta Mezzola.